Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your the science vector book and open your page number 7. Today our topic is your senses. Y O U R your SENSES senses, your senses. What is senses? Senses allow us to observe and understand the world around us. How we understand and observe the world around us? Through these senses. How many senses do you have? We learn here, okay? HUMANS humans, HEVE have, FIVE 5, SENSES senses. Human have 5 senses. How many senses do we have? We have 5 senses. Okay. Number 1 is sight, sound, taste, smell, touch. First of all, look at here. We learned first of all, about sight. You used your eyes for this one. You can see your environment, things, people, color with the help of your eyes. Okay, now look at here. SOUND sound. You use your ears for this one. You can hear the voices of the people with the help of your ears. Look at this picture. Taste. You use your tongue for this one. You can experience the flavor of things. If you eat cake, for example, does your cake taste salty, sour, and sweet? Yes, the taste of your cake is sweet. Look at here. SMELL smell. You use your nose for this one. You can smell the thing with the help of your nose. How do we smell? All of you imagine about your favorite food. Tell me the smell of your food. It is good, so you can smell the things. Touch. 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 You use your fingers, toes, and other parts of your body for this one. You can touch things with the help of your fingers, toes, and other parts. For example, I use my hands to touch. My skin allows me to feel things about them. For example, I can feel if a ball is hard or soft. I can also touch this book with the help of my finger. Now look at here, learning is fun. All of you know he is a scientist and he knows all about science. True or false? Tick true or cross when it is false. Number 1. We have 4 senses. We have 4 senses? How many senses do we have? Yes, we have 5 senses. Sight, sound, taste, smell, touch. So it is false. We taste with our nose? No, we taste with our tongue. So it is also false. We use our fingers to touch? Yes, we use fingers to touch. It is true. We smell with our mouth? No, we can smell with our nose. So it is false. We taste with our tongue? Yes, we can taste with our tongue. It is true. Today's your homework is to read this speech and learn about your senses. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.